Have you ever stared at your trading account and feel your heart just drop? That red number at the top is not just money, it's the hours, the energy, the version of you that believed you could win. You tell yourself, maybe one big trade can fix this, but deep down you already know it won't. Because recovering an account isn't about winning it back, it's about rebuilding yourself. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Hey, I'm Saber and welcome to Bamboo Trader. Here, we don't chase signals, indicators, or quick fixes. We build traders with discipline, structure, and self-awareness. If your account's down and your confidence is gone, this video is exactly where you need to be. When your balance is deep in red, you stop trading logically. You start reacting emotionally, hoping, forcing, doubling your risk, trying to outsmart the pain. But the market isn't against you. It's just reflecting who you've become in that state. To recover your account, you first have to recover yourself. And that doesn't start by trading harder. It starts by stopping completely. The first step is what I call rest for reset. For one full week, you completely detach from the market. No charts, no backtests, and no scrolling through strategy reels. You need to break the dopamine leash the market has wrapped around your neck. Instead, leave, go outside, walk without headphones, meet people who don't even know what trading is, and move your body. Sweat every day. At night, write one short paragraph. How do I feel today? And what am I learning about myself? Now that you've taken a full week off and your mind is finally reset, you can look at your trading problems with real logic, not emotion. And the moment you understand your problems, you've already walked half the path. The rest, it's just about solving them, one honest step at a time. At the end of that week, answer 3 questions honestly. What caused my losses? What emotion controlled me the most? And what will I do differently next time? That week isn't wasted time. It's a detox, a reset for your nervous system and your confidence. You're not losing time, you're gaining clarity. Once that week is over, it's time to re-enter the market with a structure. But this time, the goal isn't to win it back. The goal is to earn back your trust. The trust between you and yourself. Here's the framework. Cut your risk per trade in half. Focus on one single symbol. Trade only your cleanest, most proven setup. If it's almost good, it's a no. Every trade you take should earn the honor of your attention. It should call out to you, whispering, I am the one worth your risk. If it doesn't, let it pass. Only the rare, perfect setups deserve your focus, your discipline, and your capital. Stop after 3 trades per day, no matter what. This is absolute discipline, not dopamine. Then you switch into what I call high win rate mode. Forget 5-hour trades. Forget big profits. Your only mission is to win consistently, even if it's small. You are not trying to get rich. You are trying to rebuild rhythm, trust, and control. Go for simple, frequent wins. Take setups you've already seen hundreds of times. Be boringly consistent. Every small green trade calms your mind, lowers cortisol, and reprograms your brain to feel safe again. And when your brain feels safe, your trading starts to make sense again. Once you've built that rhythm, once those small trades start stacking, The next phase isn't about taking more trades. It's about strengthening the mind behind them. Because your technical edge means nothing if your psychology is still bleeding. So let's talk about the deeper side, the small things that actually rebuild your confidence and keep you consistent. No trading after poor sleep. Walk 10 minutes before every trading session. Speak your trade plan out loud before entering. When you hear your own logic, weak reasoning becomes obvious. And celebrate micro wins. Every small green day matters more than you think. Depending on how deep the losses were, expect 4 to 12 weeks to fully recover. That's normal. You're healing both your mindset and your equity curve, two things that rise together. The goal isn't to get back fast. The goal is to never go back again. So here's the full plan. 1 week of rest, then a structured high win rate trading with a small risk, clear rules, and real discipline. That's how you rebuild an account and a trader. Your recovery starts the moment you decide to slow down. So take your week, breathe, and when you're ready, join me here. Subscribe to Bamboo Trader and let's rebuild your discipline one trade at a time. And as always, stay rooted, my friend.